Should you return the pasta? Layla and John are creating a simulation to explore paired testing for a population where 25% have the virus. They're going to use 4 pieces of pasta and they're going to color one of them red. They need to simulate randomly selecting 2 people from a population where 25% have the virus. They shake the cup of pasta, and Layla picks one. Then, just as she was about to put the pasta back in the cup, John yells out,
"You can't return the pasta because that person is already tested."
Then Layla says,
"We have to return the pasta or we won't have 25%.
What do you think? Pause the video and think about it. Our 4-piece pasta set was just a tool to generate a 25% population. John's comment makes sense, but if we were really imitating a city like Los Angeles, we might need 4 million pieces of pasta, where 25% or 1 million were colored red. Then, even though one colored pasta is removed, the remaining percent of colored pasta would still be close enough to 25%. On the other hand, when we're working with 4 pasta where one is colored red, if the one red pasta is removed, then the remainder would actually have 0% of the red pasta. If one of the non-red pasta was removed, then the remaining population would only be 33% red. For our trials, we do need to return the pasta after each random selection. This will keep us at selecting from a 25% population.